Good morning, YouTube. I haven't posted in a while, so I just wanted to do a quick little video and see how everybody was doing and just let everybody know of some of my upcoming trips and see what everybody else was up to. I have made some reservations for myself for some upcoming trips and just wanted to let everybody know what I was doing and see where you guys were planning your upcoming trips. So for this year, on Labor Day weekend, I am going to New Orleans, and I'm very excited. I do this trip every year. So on Labor Day weekend, which is, I'll be there from August 30th through September 3rd. Yeah, I believe through the 3rd. And I go there the same weekend every year. And then it's called Southern Decadence. So if you know the party that goes on there that weekend, hopefully I'll see you there. And if you are able to make it, definitely let me know in the comments. So it's a great party. It is a gay-centric weekend. It's an awesome event. It's debaucherous, it's fun, it's a lot of drinking and partying. But I go every year and I stay at the same hotel. I stay at Hotel Provincial, which is just 2 blocks away from Bourbon Street. And it's a great hotel. This is not a paid, sponsored video or anything like that, but I love that hotel and I stay there every year. And then next year, I've actually booked 2 different cruises. So we've been going on the same RSVP cruise to the Caribbean every year for the past couple years. And RSVP, again, is a gay company that does at least 1 cruise every year. And we're doing the Caribbean cruise in February. And then a brand new company that is again gay-centric for their clientele is called Vakaya, and we're going on their cruise in August of 2019. If you have any questions about any of those vacations, definitely let me know. I am a travel agent and can definitely help you book any of those or any other vacations that you might want to go on. So let me know in the comments. It doesn't have to be gay-centric or anything like that. So I can help book those. You can visit my website at GoldMTravel.com, or you can always let me know in the comments, or I have a phone number that I'll post in the description as well. So all of my information will be in the description, or you can visit my website. I just wanted to make this quick video to let you know, kind of make an announcement of my upcoming travels that I already have booked and see where you guys were going. So with that, I'll go ahead and cut this video short. I just wanted to make that quick announcement of my planned travels for this year and next year that I already know what's coming up. And if anything changes or if any new travels come up, I'll let that come out as well. So I hope you guys are all having a great day, and let me know what's going on with you. Thanks. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you aren't already. Bye.